Welcome back to another vlog, guys! It's the morning. Bonggang. Tapos na ako mag-makeup. Maaga ako nagising.
Oo, sobra.
Maaga ako nagising. Clarksburg. Anyway.
5:30. Dito. Kasi.
Cutie! Ang cute niyang aso, no? Ay, pusa.
Aso ka daw.
Guwapo.
Aso ka ba? Uy, sus. Lambingero.
Ayan, we have coffee. Bang.
Yes, this is my favorite na milk.
Yeah.
Pure and best.
Si Joyce tulog pa. Si Kim tulog pa. Nope. Kimmy! Boink. Boink. Sus. Breakfast today. Oh, wow. Yum.
May breakfast kayo sa diba? May pang breakfast kayo.
Breakfast time. Tidin. Dun. Boom. Ayan ang view natin. Ang ganda-ganda. I love it. It is so peaceful. Anong pangalan, kuya?
Bupala.
Ha?
Bupala.
Bufala! Oh! Hi, Bufala! Uy, ang laki niya, nakakatakot! Mabait siya?
Oh, wait yan. Matanda na yan.
Hi! Nagbaw, cutie. Guys, inaamoy niya ako. Mabango ba ako? Thank you very much, Bufala.
Hi there.
You're so cute, Bufala. Thank you. Cutie! Uy, may isa pa!
Oh, apat yan.
Ang cute! Hi! Shit, ang cute!
Pinangihila namin ng ano ka.
Oh! Oh, uy! Takot again. Pero ang cute niya. Ano yan, Kuya Roldan? Manggang hilaw? Ooh, cool. Kakapitas lang. Bongga. Madami silang puno ng mangga. Clarksburg. Yes.
Hello.
Anyway, let's do a quick makeup of the day. Sunscreen muna, girl. Clarks. Okay, I used the L'Oreal UV Perfect Aqua Essence all over my face and even my neck area para banger. So, yan. And then, I used the L'Oreal Bass Magique Transforming Smoothing Primer to hide all my pores. Okay, then after that, Dream Satin from Maybelline kasi bongga siya and I love it. The dewiness and chewiness. Love it. Ever love it. Chewaloo. And then, for my concealer, ito yung super perfect na concealer for me now. The same Saem Cover Perfection Tip Concealer. Super nagpa-brighten up talaga siya ng under eye area. Kaya ganyan, girl, pak, burn, yan. And then, I set my under eye area with this one. 3CE Satin Loose Powder. Medyo may shimmer siya, so like that, bonggang-bongga siya. And then even my T-zone area. And then for my brows, I used the Benefit Brow Zings. Ang ganda siya, oh. Ginamit ko muna yung wax and then yung powder. So, ganyan siya kabongga ngayon. Yan. And then, ano pa ba? Ay, wala pa akong blush, girl. Pero, naglagay ako ng highlight. And that is the Happy Skin Glisten Up Highlighter Stick. So, ganun lang. Tapos, pak, burn. Yan. Lip color, Bea Bar lent me the, tawag ito? ColourPop Liquid Lipstick in the shade of So Low. Diba? Ganda. Love it. Saan mo nabili? Nabili niya kay Joyce. So, available kay Joyce. And then for my eyeshadow naman, ito rin, from Bea din. It's the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter. Bongga, ha? Champagne Pop yung shade. Jacking Hill. Yon. So, yun lang sa mata ko. Oh, diba? Highlight tayo all over today. Oh, and then my eyeliner, of course, I won't forget that. It's the Jewel Light Holika eyeliner. Tapos mascara ko is Hypercurl Mascara from Maybelline. Maybe it's blank. Nag-ano kami kagabi, Cards Against Humanity ba yun? Fun. Nanalo ko, yeah, of course. Joke lang. This hat I also got from a bazaar. Trendsetters Bazaar, actually. My hair was done by Joyce. Super cute. I love it. Speaking of Joyce, you should be saying, girl, you say, yeah, bitch na tayo. Sunglasses from College Spring. I like it. time to apply some sunscreen. And again, I'm using the Nivea Sun Protect and Bronze since I want to get a little bit of tan going on, pero not too much. So, ang okay dito kasi, ano siya, sunscreen pa rin siya. Pero, you know, bongga siya. It contains no self-tan. So, yeah, tan-activating sunspray. Dahil busy ako mag-livestream, hindi ako naka-vlog. So, yeah, nagpa-vlog na ako
Maganda
ngayon.
daw hair mo,
On the way.
Say.
Thank you, it's Joy Solabola. Creation
Yes,
by.
yes.
Yes. Anyway, yun.
Si
Kuya,
Joyce ang
Clarksburg's one more.
Clarksburg.
Clarksburg, yeah. So, punta kami ng beach. Si Joyce nagpa-iwan kasi antok pa siya. Pero nag-iwan naman ng
Oh
food
no,
dun. So,
our connection is weak.
yan. Pero hindi later gagalaw yan later.
No.
Dito ako sa mga Lahar area. Oh, yeah, God. Oh. At nagdala kami ng gummy bear kasi masarap siya at naubos na namin. Yun nga kagabi, we played, ano yan? Cards versus, ano daw? Cards Against Humanity. Yun, fun naman siya. Pero hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung the gulags. Oh my God, I have to Google mo muna.
Say, mag-hi ka kay...
Okay, let's take a morning stroll at the beach. Although hindi na ako pwede. Aray ko, mainit. Mainit!
Balik!
Oh my goodness!
Mag-slippers ka na.
Ang init!
It's too hot. You cannot not wear slippers.
Yeah. Baka ma-sunburn yung feet ko nga. Okay, balik. Again, take 2. Boys, girl, boys. Okay. Now, let's take a stroll sa beach. Ay, saya-saya. Ano yung sabihin ko kanina? Kalimutan ko na. Anyway, yun nga, ang peaceful sobra dito. And I love it. Mamaya mag-OOTD kami dun sa may ano. Parang tent siya, bamboo, tapos kogon, ano lang. I love it. So relaxing. This is all I needed. Kasi, you know naman how stressful it can get sa Manila with all the work and chuvas and stuff like that. Kaya kailangan mo ng ganitong time. Our next trip is going to be in Palawan. And that's gonna be a trip with Mark. Super fun. I've never been to Puerto Princesa. So, pupunta tayo doon. And I'm so excited. Look at this. It's so cute. Made out of bamboo and kogon grass. Look at that. So cute, right? Now, I'm sitting here sa yung kininang pinakita ko sa inyo. And then I have my Lagu beach mat. And I'm just chilling. So, Bea swimming in the ocean. Si Kim naman nasa loob. Nagliwaliw lang. Nag-chill lang. Bongga. Lunchtime! Yummy salad. We have juice.
Here outside the University of Pangasinan, different campaign jingles have been playing since this morning. Of course, that's coming from the supporters of the different candidates who have been going around the vicinity with their own audio systems. They've also been putting out posters
Chili
of
con
their
carne.
respective candidates at the different establishments.
Finally done doing my makeup, and for my lipstick today, I'm using the Lipaholic by For You to Cosmetics. So ito yung itsura ng lip color in natural lighting. As you can see, it's super pretty. I love it. It makes you look like radiant, parang fresh at blooming ka. So, ganda. Love it. Hindi ko sure kung ito si Buffalo o si Bulldog. Hello! Mrs. Cutie! Apoy! Aamoy niya ako. Amoy! Magpapagaganda. Amoy! Amoy! Cutie! Cutie! Aww! Galing naman. Mag-isa siya pumasok dun sa loob ng kawayan. Ang galing. Bye, Bufala! Bye, Bufala! Cute! Bye-bye! Cutie!
Nauna na yata. Ayun o. Papainom pa.
Bye! Kasama siya. Bye, Bulldog! Sama ka na doon. Ang galing. Doggy! Hi! Come! Come here! Doggy! Doggy! Alondra! Come here! Alondra! Alondra! Alondra!
Magiging famous ka na, Alondra. Pupunta ka sa YouTube.
Cutie Alondra! Ay, bakit sakit ang paa mo? I met Alondra. Hello! Don't bite, ha? Kay, ha?
Lang.
Hi! Aba! Hi! Bait naman ng baby! Oh! Saan ka galing? Anong pangalan mo? Bye! Yan, si Joyce nagwo-work. Gagawa siya ng shoutout video. Love it! Dito kami sa may shaded area. Yan si Kimmy! Last day at the beach. Yes! Ganda. Palubog na ang sun. We just finished taking photos as usual. Oh, I had this cardigan na cute na merong parang anong tawag doon? Ano tawag dito? Tassel? Yun, fringe. Yun. Love it. Kim's looking so cute. Hi! We're gonna go back na. Thanks, babe! Joy! Bye, beach! Dinner time! Nagluto si Bae. So, we have chicken, tapos niluto ni Bae itong pasta. Yummy!
Buti.
Frog!
Nung araw, maniwala ka.
Dami.
Dito?
Ay! Kala ko kainin ni Mingming. Siga! Umalis na agad!
Lalaki.
Yes, mangga.
Pag lalaki, mas bone.
Ano pangalan niya?